Harman International Industries, Incorporated is an American company that designs, manufactures and markets audio equipment for automotive, home, theater and other applications as well as electronics for audio professionals. Headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut, HII maintains major operations in the Americas, Europe, as well as Asia and markets its products under more than 20 brands prominently Harman Kardon, Becker, AKG Acoustics, JBL, Crown Audio, DBX, Mark Levinson, Lexicon and Infinity. HII's consumer group engineers and manufactures loudspeakers, CD and DVD players, CD recorders, amplifiers. Its professional unit makes audio equipment, such as studio monitors, amplifiers, microphones, and mixing consoles for recording studios, cinemas, touring performers, and others. Early history: Sidney Harman and Bernard Kardon founded the predecessor to Harman International, Harman Kardon, in 1953. Both Harman and Kardon were engineers by training and had worked at the Bogen Company, which was then the top manufacturer of public address systems. Their collaboration helped to create a new industry, high-fidelity audio. Harman bought out his partner in 1956 and then expanded Harman Kardon into an audio powerhouse, according to a biography written by the Consumer Electronics Hall of Fame. Acquisitions and expansion: in the 1970s, Harman accepted an appointment in the Carter administration as Undersecretary of the Department of Commerce. When Harman took office in 1976, he sold his company to conglomerate Beatrice Foods to avoid a conflict of interest. Beatrice promptly sold many portions of the company, including the original Harman Kardon division, and by 1980 only 60% of the original company remained. After he left government in 1978, he created Harman International Industries and reacquired a number of businesses he sold to Beatrice. The company continued its growth plan with a string of acquisitions throughout the 1980s that pushed Harman International sales from about $80 million in 1981 to more than $200 million by 1986, and then to more than $500 million by 1989. Harman International went public in 1986 with a stock offering on the New York Stock Exchange. Cash from that sale was used to, among many other purchases, buy Soundcraft, a UK producer of professional mixing boards, in 1988 and later, Salt Lake City digital electronics producer DoD Electronics Corporation. By 1990, Harman International was selling consumer audio gear under such brands as JBL, Harman Kardon, Infinity and Epicure loudspeakers, as well as professional audio systems with such brands as JBL Professional, UREI, Soundcraft, Allen & Heath, DBX Studer, DoD, Lexicon, AKG, BSS, Auburn, DBX, Quested and TurboSound. In July 2011, Harman acquired MWM Acoustics, a privately held company that specialized in speaker and microphone technology for consumer electronics and enterprise telephony. The combination of MWM Acoustics, branded audio, and AKG automotive microphones became the embedded audio business team. In March 2015, Harman acquired the automotive division of Bang & Olufsen for €145 million for the unit as well as technology license fees. The purchased US and a unregistered trademark T include Bang & Olufsen a unregistered trademark S consumer electronics business. In January 2015, Harman entered into an agreement to acquire Symphony Teleca, a software services company based in Mountain View, California for $780 million. The transaction is expected to close by the end of Harman's 2015 fiscal year. Closed the factory in Denmark, named Martin Professional, in August 2015, to move the production to Hungary. They had bought Martin Professional a couple of years earlier. Private equity attempt: Harman International Industries was to disappear from New York Stock Exchange in Q3/2007 due to a buyout by KKR and Goldman Sachs Capital Partners. However, as of mid-September 2007, KKR announced they would back out of the deal. Harman shares plummeted by more than 24% that day, on the news. Coincident with the buyout deal, Dinesh C. Paliwal was hired as company president and CEO in July 2007. Paliwal was a veteran of the corporate turnaround. During his tenure as president of U.S. operations for ABB, the heavyweight Swiss-based automation provider, the company moved from a money-losing and siloed organization to one with double-digit growth, doubled its share price in 1 year, and saw its bond ratings upgraded by Moody's and Standard & Poor's. On July 1, 2008, Harman was succeeded by Dinesh Paliwal as chairman of the board. Brands: AKG Acoustics, microphone headphones, AMX, video switching and control devices, audio access, AV controllers, Bang & Olufsen Automotive, Becker, car infotainment, BSS Audio, signal processing, Crown International, Pro Amplifiers, DBX Professional Products, signal processors, G-Tech, guitar products, Hardwire, guitar pedals, HiQ&ET, Audio Digital Network, based on Ethernet, Harman Kardon, home car audio, Infinity, home car speakers, Ion Road, personal driving assistance app, JBL, home car speakers and amplifiers, professional speakers, Lexicon, digital processing, Mark Levinson Audio Systems, home car audio, Martin Professional, stage and architectural lighting and effects fixtures, Revel, home speakers, Selenium, home, car and professional speakers, amplifiers. Soundtables Mixers, Soundcraft, mixing consoles, Studer, mixing consoles. References. External links, official website.